What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Bryos DIY. Today we'll be dealing with cable management at home, and I'll be showing one of the easiest and cheapest ways to manage cables at home. So the first tip that you have to know or have with you is that avoid unnecessary equipment or cables. So as you can see on my side, I have all these cables and extensions. And for you to be able to understand the type of equipment that you need, you have to be able to recognize the device that you have that need power or that need connections. So right here with me, I only have 4 devices and I don't understand why I have all these extensions. So I'm going to get rid of all these extensions and some adapters, then we can continue from there. Once you have gotten rid of all the equipment that are unnecessary, we're going to get a box like this. So this was from Reebok shoes, and instead of throwing this away, we are going to use this to house the main such arrestor. So we're going to cut a hole right here that is going to allow the cables to come out of it. Alright, let's do this. Okay, once you have your hole, time to put this in place. Once that is done, so once you are done with that, next is to identify the devices that will need power. And I have my modem right there, I have my camera box, the TV, and we have the cable box right there. So we're going to plug in the power cables into the extension on the box. Alright, let's do this. So the importance of cable management is that you get a clean working area, and in case you want to replace any cable, it's way easy than when you have cables all over the place. And also just to avoid accidents and anything. That is the importance of cable management. This here is the result of the job, and as you can see, all the cables have been well organized and looks neat and nice. So one secret also is to have your data cables running separately from the power cables, just like as you've seen these Ethernet cables being separate from the power cables. So this is normally to avoid interference in case you have too many devices or in case there is leakage on the signal transmission lines. Alright, so this looks better than before, and from this video I believe you can get any hint on how to organize yours. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Thank you for watching this, and like and subscribe. Way better than before.